horizons of warfare have shifted. No longer are we bound by the propeller-driven skirmishes of the last great conflict. Today, the security of the free world depends upon seizing the high ground, not merely the hills of a battlefield, but the very edge of the atmosphere itself. We are witnessing a bold leap into the supersonic age, a venture spearheaded by North American aviation to create a machine that defies the conventional laws of drag and heat. This is the XB-70 Valkyrie. It is a weapon forged for a singular purpose: to penetrate the deepest defenses of the Soviet bloc at 3 times the speed of sound. To achieve this, engineers had to discard the aluminum skin that clad our Mustangs and Sabres. At Mach 3, air friction generates temperatures that would melt a standard airframe. Thus, this Leviathan is constructed from a honeycomb of brazed stainless steel, a material so stubborn to work with that entirely new welding techniques had to be invented on the factory floor. Observe the geometry of the wings. They are not static. In flight, the outer sections fold downward, not for storage, but for stability. By drooping these wingtips, the aircraft captures the supersonic shock wave generated by its own nose, riding atop it like a surfer on a wave. This phenomenon, known as compression lift, allows this 200-ton giant to cruise at 70,000 feet with terrifying efficiency. Even the landing gear is a marvel of necessity. The tires are impregnated with aluminum powder, giving them a distinct silver hue. This is not for decoration, but to prevent the rubber from decomposing under the infernal heat generated by friction. Furthermore, the fuel itself plays a dual role. Before it is consumed, it circulates through the airframe to absorb the massive thermal buildup from the avionics, acting as a liquid coolant. It is a closed loop of survival, where the very lifeblood of the aircraft prevents it from melting from within. Beneath the fuselage, 6 massive General Electric turbojets, aligned side by side, drink fuel at a rate that staggers the imagination. They provide the thrust necessary to outrun any interceptor in existence. Yet, the peril lies not only in enemy fire, but in the physics of flight itself. The pilots are encased in individual ejection capsules capable of snapping shut like a clamshell to preserve life should the pressurized environment fail. We are looking at the pinnacle of strategic power, a white arrow aimed at the heart of any aggressor who dares to challenge the peace.